Oh, you right?
What's up, guys? Welcome to day 8. It's gonna be a good day. I skipped the workout because I needed to sleep in, but I'm still gonna work out today, and it's still gonna be a really good day. So stay tuned. A little bit red, but that's alright.
Dylan. 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 Good morning, cosita. So we got some good
pineapple, eggs, bananas, and blueberries.
Okay, let's make breakfast. Come on. We're making breakfast for everyone.
Oh my gosh.
She got
Delivery.
the goods. Delivery.
Delivery.
Yo, cheeky iguana. I was just enjoying the sun. Banana pancakes.
Breakfast, guys.
Breakfast time.
It's literally, it's an adapter. It says, yeah. It was an adapter the whole time.
The whole time.
Can you believe it? We don't have a jacuzzi.
I can't believe it.
Eric, have you seen that?
That is mad.
Can you believe it? Can you believe we don't have a jacuzzi? What are you mad? Do you know that?
What are you mad?
Wait.
They love it.
It's a banana pancake.
Banana pancakes. Good?
So good.
So good.
Yeah, her good.
It's time for some more Bible study. God is good. I'm gonna give everyone Team Jolt wristbands as well, I reckon. That'll be cool. That was a pretty powerful Bible study.
It was pretty powerful.
God's presence is moving, bro.
Yeah.
So cool to see how like every single person's like being impacted.
Yeah.
Like God's moving in everyone's life.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
That was good. That was really good. I'm glad y'all are here.
Yeah, me too. That's good. God is good. Madam.
Thank you.
God's presence is all over this trip and everyone here. I'm so excited to see what he does and what he's doing. So cool. All right, we're off to the beach. Oh, that's nice.
It felt hot today. Like it felt
Yeah, bro.
more hot.
It's warm. Hot, hot. Oh, we got it. The ground is very hot. Oh. That's some hot ground, bro. My feet's up burning, bro. I'm actually in pain. How you feeling today? Huh? I don't know. Hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Want a wristband?
Is that a mango?
Dylan, you want a wristband?
Yeah, actually. How'd you get those?
I made them.
Oh, sick.
Tough choices in here.
Yeah, I don't know what to get. Bobos?
You get some Bobos strawberry
Tights?
stuffed oats.
Ooh.
I mean, you could. Bro, just
13 grams of whole grain per serving.
That's a lot of grams.
Yeah, of whole grain.
It's like the most perfect form ever. Did I just like jump off anything? Do that?
Yeah, you just got to progress it and make sure you're comfortable with that height. I've done my highest ones on this trip, and they didn't hurt at all. Nah.
And you don't go that deep, right?
Wristband handout successful. That happened to me yesterday, but the middle part hit my elbow like there.
You know what? I'm gonna say it. I don't care that you broke your
I love that one, bro. That was so good.
I'm gonna say it.
Is that Harry?
Harry!
Grab everything from the bus.
Harry! Oh, back to the beach from day one, kind of. First full day beach. With the big old waves. What a nice shot. You came to this beach, eh, Harry? Have you been to this beach?
Yeah, I met you guys just
true.
before we came down here.
That's right.
Yeah, that looks cool, isn't it? Is there like it might be, to be fair.
Hey.
Oh, his friend.
Mr. Wien? Mr. Wiener. What a wiener. What a schnitzel wiener. The sand is so hot. Oh, 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 oh. It's hot. Ooh. That is hot sand. The sun is sunning. Would you say the sun is sunning?
The sun is sunning today.
I would have to agree with my statement that you agreed with.
Where are these weeds? Where'd they go?
I'm gonna walk through this way.
Oh, okay, okay.
My feet on fire.
Bro, that was painful.
Yeah, I bet.
I'm staying in the shade, I reckon.
Yeah,
Just
I
gonna
don't know
relax.
how much I want to be out in the sun today, to be fair.
Yeah,
Because I don't want to be the same tomorrow, like I want it to get better.
yeah. Heal up so tomorrow we can get back out there.
Yeah, get some shredding done.
Yeah. The waves aren't as big as last time, but still the current will put you right out. We just got watermelon balancing on our head. That's crazy.
Do a flip, Spider-Man. Dude, hit the flip.
Really?
Are you scorekeeper?
Yes, ma'am.
You gotta teach me how to do a backyard this.
Light work.
Pretty much the same, but
Less power.
layout.
Yeah, either the same power and layout or like less power and tuck. You definitely land on your feet. Woo! Bro, hey, this is good.
Ready?
Oi! That was a good rally there. Oh. Bro, going right up the nose.
Dude, let's go.
I like the commitment, man. That's pretty suave, bro. Sheesh. Bro got the moves.
Dude, lock in. Dude.
Oh, he's getting ready. Bro, you almost did the backflip into it.
That looks cute, like with your little bag and your orange.
Hey, no, I've heard that before. Yo, perfect. Bro.
And the chips, or?
And the chips.
You can even flip it on you if you want.
POV or Reagan Popoff.
There. POV hold my chips, and he starts eating them.
Nice.
Oi, he's got that control.
Hey, the moment you look away from that is you giving up. So like you might think you're gonna fall, but if you're still looking, you can bring it back.
True.
You're not supposed to.
Let me try. That was real good.
Looking down is not good for balance. Looking up here.
Looking down will mess you up so good.
Not like that. Here, come over here. You gotta be next to her. Yeah. You know it?
Oh, camera.
Wait, how many cameras? How many cameras? Hey, what's going on here? Hey, hey.
Wait, the Spider-Man meme? Hey,
Hey, wait a minute. Hey,
wait a minute. Hey, wait a minute.
wait a minute.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, hey.
Wait, what's going on here? Dylan?
Yeah. Hello.
Eyes closed.
You're like shifty, dude. You gotta stay in the
No one
center.
can do this.
Bro, it looks like you're doing that like that fake run.
Like Frozone.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
We're gonna start in the middle. Okay.
Yes. To the death.
If you make it to the middle.
Nah, they will. They will.
Oh, you're coming down.
Bruh.
Never mind.
It does make it easier though, looking ahead. Right, so you gotta like fully commit. Swing, lean a little bit, and then push. And throw, and you almost want to like punch behind you. You can do that by yourself, bro. Easily. As soon as you push off, I'll let you. Nice. That's good. You sent that all by like I didn't touch it till you were over. A little hesitation on that one, I think.
Without help though, you wouldn't have landed that. You gotta really like here and bring your legs up to you.
Like you almost get that like lock out in your shoulders. Try do it so the arms pull you back.
Yeah, here and then the legs come.
Nice. Try keep tuck in a little bit longer. Alright, there we go, you got some rotation. Oh, you're right. That was way better. Yeah, nice.
Yo guys, we're gonna go on that flying thing. If anyone wants to go.
Nice.
It's like $80.
He's almost made it to the end. Let's go.
Don't wait up, guys. What? Yeah.
Let's go, Jared.
I'm going. They're just not.
Also, yeah, I'll just take that off. That's just to cover the lens.
Let's turn around. Focus on like hit Ruben's reaction.
Yo!
No way!
Bro! Let's go! Bro, you made it. Dude! Bro, that's sick, bro.
I'm
So-
buying one of these. Yeah.
Let's go, Jared. That's crazy. What a legend.
Dude, I just can't get that.
Extra power from the jolt bands.
What does jolt mean?
I don't know.
It's like boom.
Well, electric volt.
Electric jolt. It's like when you like land on your bum and get whiplash, you like get a jolt through your spine. No, that's not what it. We like.
Still relying on him. You gotta really huck it for him. You gotta commit all the way around.
So I gave you a little bit more rotation. That's what got you there. If you can get that rotation from the top, then that's the same. Yeah, so it's like flat, grab, and then pull out to like your shoulders. Yeah! Let's go! So good. First unspotted backflip.
Turn back and turn.
Yes. You stopped your arms down here. But still.
Close. You didn't really jump up though. You just kind of threw back.
Keep reaching with the arms. Like, big punch.
Yeah!
There we
Go, baby!
Pound the jump, baby. Pound the jump.
Let's go. He got it. Light work. Oi! Nice one. Hit the jump.
5, 4.
There's a monkey. Uh-oh. Take it from Salty. He's gonna backflip. I'm pulling it.
Let's do a gainer.
Oh, here comes the gorilla. Hey. Bro, I feel like the life of a monkey would be so fun. Big chillin'. Yeah. There we go.
Did you learn a backflip?
Yeah, you did.
I think I'm almost ready to try.
Yeah?
Flat. Oh, dude, you should.
You definitely got it.
Yeah. I'm
Maybe-
gonna fail a few times.
Worst you're gonna fail is like hands and feet though. Like, I don't think you're gonna do any worse than that.
Flip check.
Flip check.
You think it's worth it to flip over here? Like,
Yeah.
out? Flip check.
Flip check. Nice. Super clean. Nice. Yeah, clear out a nice spot. Nice background too. You got it. Big swing. Reach right up. You got it. Yes! There we go. You just untucked early. That was perfect. Perfect arm swing and everything. Yes! Woo! Nah. Bro, the last minute switch up. So good.
Make a tree.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. Sick. Yeah. Let's go. You got this. Big old swing. Oh, ankle's good? You got it. Big tuck, big swing. Oh, good save, good save. You got it.
And then getting better.
Good. Good landing, good save. Oh, you right?
Yeah, I pulled out of that one.
Good save, good save. Woo! Back head spring. Yeah, have a little rest.
Quick.
Yeah, bro, that was crazy. Let's go. We out here.
In the calm 10 minutes.
Yeah, bit of Bible reading. That's what we like. Cheeky little bar. Getting some water. Pretty sick. Got the lads out there. What do we reckon? That's hot.
Yeah,
Bruh. I'm just exhausted and sore, but it's good. But I just want to relax, to be fair, and that's what we're doing, and it's good. All the boys trying out some cool stuff. Some of the guys went paragliding as well. That's pretty cool. Hopefully I can get some footage off them for this.
I can't imagine what the people feel when this make a pook.
Just keep resting, keep soaking in the fresh air, God's presence. That's nice, that's good. You got this.
Come in.
Biggest swing, biggest tuck.
Yeah.
Nice, good, good. It's good to get over it after the bail.
I kind of like them. It just tastes like a blackberry more like.
It's like an olive.
Olive. Oh, you right?
You look adorable, dude. Just scan.
You want to do some spots? It's going backwards. Oh, bro's got crazy good. Wait, Chris Hemsworth, is that you?
Thanks, bro. What?
What'd you get?
How many face?
A raspberry.
Sunburn. Look at his face.
Look at
Look at he looks like he's burning his face off.
Come here. You're gonna put raspberry.
What the Sigma? So close. He's cracked. Bro, epic dismount. This is it, Matthew. You're making it all the way.
This is for my mother.
This is for your mother.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Bro.
Expecting your mom on that? This is for my mom.
No, this is for his mom. Yeah. 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 Bro, if I was your mom, I'd be proud. Alright, guys. Alright. Alright. That was sick. Halfway. Alright.
You said that one was for your mom. Yeah.
That one was for his mom. Don't let this down. He's not happy. I'm not happy, Bob.
I can feel
Not
it.
coming in here tonight. Oh Lord, I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Yes, sir.
I told you I'll see you guys.
You look down?
Nah, it's because we were singing, bro. You got in the zone.
Yeah. Should I do this on the thingy?
Yes, go. You got it.
While balancing.
Woo! He's still on though. But you look like a pirate. Hey.
Oh! Nice.
You almost made it. Ah, so close.
Limbo!
Limbo.
Limbo!
I reckon I could limbo under there.
Oh! You probably do it. I think you might be able to. Yeah, yeah.
Matthew made it. A goal.
Oh,
Dylan.
my
Bro.
Dylan's such a dork. What is it? Wait, what are they doing at?
Big iguana.
Oh yeah.
Why is Dylan
Oh,
like
I
that?
see it.
Animal hunter, bro. He's an animal and it's just like,
Yeah,
let me go catch it or something. Like he's gonna catch it, bro.
Let's go, Matthew.
Like a primal instinct almost.
Yo!
Oh, he's right.
Let's go! Bro, I respect the commitment, bro. That's sick. I respect the commitment, that's crazy.
I know, Matt, that was crazy.
So good. That Dylan look. Bro, you look like you're from a ancient tribe. Warrior tribe.
What do you think?
I think that's pretty sick.
He's lying. He's lying.
That's good.
I'm not lying.
You can see yourself in that.
Open up.
Look at that toe chips. The crunch. How's that? All right, Sam and Eric are gonna try 100 head bounces with the ball in a row. This is gonna be sick. Yes, sir. Let's see it. They're going for 100. This is it. Time to lock in. Keep going, keep going. Yeah! Yes! Woo! Let's go! Hey! Woo! Let's go! So good. Just like that. That's sick. But I was like, this is it, this is it. Keep going, keep going. I was like, bro, we were like, this is we get past 50.
When we got to 50,
yeah.
you said,
Yeah.
you said
I was like, alright, these guys are locked in.
And bro, after the 100, I thought,
well, yeah, this is good. I don't care,
bro.
You barely moved either, like you were. Yeah! 100. Sick.
You gonna call this? Yeah, go on, what is it? Yeah. Louder. Yeah. Don't jump off.
There are gonna be many of them. Those are aracaris. They're never alone. But you're gonna see at least 4 of them around. So try to chase them.
Oh yeah?
The pigeon.
Crazy.
Oh yeah, my water bottle.
I'm
gonna get the trees gonna take it. We got lots of people. Be better, wouldn't it? I'll go on. What? Everyone get ready. Guys, lock in. Lock in.
Yo, Reagan, you should do a flip over there.
That'd be pretty Popoff Adventures.
Like right here?
Yeah.
You let me know when you're ready. Ready?
We're not gonna like each other.
Pura vida.
Pura vida.
With a hammer.
Yeah, big hammer.
Pura vida. I'm gonna take our one. Ready, 1, 2, 3. I think there is. Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright guys, silly face. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You guys should all jump.
So good at that.
Sound pretty hot.
Jumping go like this.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Valid line. I don't know if I got it or not, bro.
I can't believe you didn't jump.
Woo! We got the squad. Let's head out. Autobots, roll out.
And like a window is like
It's sunny. It's very, very sunny. My feet. Oh, my feet. That's better. That's better. Choo!
I'm excited. It's my favorite like restaurant to go to.
Oh yeah? Let's go. I'm excited too. Send it, gang. Oh, the air.
Bro is so much better than walking around.
Oh, my head. Oh, that air conditioner.
It's just so much better. Yeah. So much better.
The aircon.
Alright, bro.
You look like a real Aussie with the hat on.
Yeah,
I'm ready for some lunch, I reckon.
I think we're eating first. We're eating at like a restaurant.
We made it to lunch. So
And the smoothies will come out once we sit it down.
too good. Shawarma.
Guys, get your sandwiches first since they're right here. Go grab your sandwiches. Salad bars right here. Go ahead and get your chicken shawarma, get the salad bar.
Hello, lad.
Hello.
How are you?
Bang it.
Here we go. Dig in. That was so good. Mint and pineapple smoothie. Recommend.
Its name is falafel. No, it's something
cat.
falafel. It's this place's cat.
Is anyone still hungry? No.
I'm always hungry.
Heard it. Let's go.
Back on the bus. I missed the ocean view. We're back to the place. Back at the crib. I missed it. That was hilarious.
Try that thing that we were doing earlier with that let's go all the way back.
Skin the cat. Go, go, go. Ah, light work.
Yeah.
Making it look easy.
Alright, say less.
Jump, jump, jump,
I didn't want
jump.
to disturb them. Where's Sam? I'll get in if you get in. It's like
I'll get in too.
I just don't know if I want to.
You do.
Right, the belly. I just went on this.
Oi!
I was ready that. Throw it like
Not in the face that time.
It's all one.
How was the laser beam? Are you ready? We ran, right? Yeah. No! Can we like dodge it? No. Get back out of the pool.
So easy.
You've not got this right, let's go.
Yeah, thanks, I like that. Can I get a run up on it?
Huh?
Run up on
Yeah,
it?
go run up.
No, run up. No run up, okay, cool. Is that what you did?
Yeah, go. You can do this.
You need to go.
That was chaos, bro.
He's gone.
You okay?
Give me a shot.
love that film so much.
It's a sober party.
Dude.
Let's stop you. You have to laugh.
What, bro? Bro, just coming up with the most random stuff.
Gun on my head. It's really hard in my head. Sorry. Were you recording that? No.
I wish, bro.
Did you get all the way back? How far did you go?
I think I got almost all the way back.
Oh, Willie! Willie! Willie, pop it! Yeah!
Swear something in my head.
Wait, are you scared?
We're swimming, pool party. The boys. Come play with us. Come play mermaids. You wanna play mermaids? Come on. Oh, I'm trying to head it.
That like hit you in the face. Are you scared? What? Are you scared? Are you scared?
In the circles.
No.
Each person do like the best villain.
I don't want to be part of that.
Okay, he started. Okay, ready? Jesse just started. Ready?
These videos.
No, you said.
Okay, we're doing an evil laugh competition. Everyone has to participate.
I'm alright.
Wait. We're gonna be the judges.
Yeah, we'll be the judges.
Yes.
No, absolutely not.
Yes.
Now you're involved.
Yes.
I want to hear an evil laugh.
Nope. No.
Bro,
I mean, no one's beating that.
Yeah, no one can.
Reagan is pretty good. Wait, no, your turn. We're doing the evil laugh
I'm more of
competition.
like a. I'm more of just like a.
Whoa.
Do an evil.
That was cheeky.
I bet you'll just get to it.
Now, when you do your evil laugh impression.
Whoa.
That's just your laugh. Hi, Riley.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh, now you're embarrassed. Come on.
Someone make me mad. I don't laugh at them.
Everyone just stare at him until he does it.
Come on. Embarrassment is an underappreciated
Dude, true.
emotion, bro.
It's embarrassing if you don't do it.
Yeah. If you still do an evil laugh, that's embarrassing.
That is embarrassing.
That's really.
Whoa. Bro,
Trying to think about how I would or how it sounds. Like, what sort of film would I be like?
I'm like an evil gremlin.
Really?
Like,
Pretty cool.
I just like that.
I'm gonna get you, bro.
Here, I think you have a good one.
Bro. This guy's good at everything. Except for them.
That sounded a bit like Scooby-Doo.
That's what I was trying to go for.
Raggy. Soink Scoob.
Wait, I have a really good one. Soink Scoob. Soink Scoob. Soink Scoob. Scoob. Soink.
That was good. That was good.
Soink.
It's the face. It's so funny. So he looks away while he does it. That's actually class.
That's actually class. Dude, that's class. That's class.
Dude, do not say that. I can fuck the way you talk. It's class. It's class.
It amuses me every sentence. You got something new in every sentence.
That's class.
That's class.
Tyler, your evil laugh.
That's this year as well. That's
Sam, let's hear your evil laugh.
Alright, Skylar, what's yours?
I'm pretty comfortable right now. Ice bath? Ice bath.
Ice bath. Yeah, you wanna go for an ice bath?
I'm taking an ice bath.
Sauna should still be on, yeah.
He's taking an ice bath in the gaff. Dude, I did this.
I see what I've done there.
In the gaff? Ice bath in the gaff and that's class.
That's absolutely class. I like that.
Wanna hear my evil laugh?
Yeah.
What's the evil laugh? My fingers
Wait, can we do the noggin thing?
Excuse me?
Somebody with the dome look.
You're excused. Dude, was it scary?
That sucks.
Dude, that was it. That was it, innit? Still, you reckon?
I reckon.
Dude, you reckon?
Dude, I think I reckon.
I think you reckon, bro.
I think I reckon
I
this.
reckon. Dude.
Honestly, I wish Yeah.
Fire.
And then you flip.
That was good hand.
Yeah, that was gnarly.
Try.
Dude, was that scary?
Oh, you wasn't there, man.
I know.
What? Sam was going, he was like underwater.
Sam was like swimming back and forth under the water, and then Dylan jumped like almost on him.
That's gonna be really hard.
And Dylan came up. Dylan came up. He's like, "Did I almost jump on someone?"
That was so good.
And then Sam came up and he's like, and then Dylan's like, "Is it scary?"
No, he just goes,
"Are you scared?" Are you
Dylan is quiet. I love him.
He was so serious, bro. He's like, were you scared?
Yeah, but now it is.
Much better, dude.
That was better?
Yeah, that was good.
Yes.
Wait. Were you scared?
Were you scared? Alright, now let's watch that video, because I have
Room tour.
Oh my gosh, wait, why don't we hang out in here? This is sick.
This is my room.
Wait, this is
mine.
This is where I got my pants.
were you like whoa when you came in?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, no, because I haven't seen anyone else's.
He like signed up. Someone cancelled and he took their place. So
My
it was
friend.
the only spot left. Wow.
Isn't that so crazy? Yeah. Someone I was trying to convince to come here from my hometown said he was gonna come,
Yep.
2 weeks beforehand, hit me with the, yeah, I canceled it. What the? And then when I was talking to him, I didn't know that like he was coming for the right when he signed
I
up.
put on his story like last week, there's a spot open who's coming, I just put me, not thinking anything, they just rang me, like, bro, you got the money? I'm like, yeah.
Let's go.
Mental.
Full sin. Crazy.
Mental.
You have like a whole room.
I know, I've not even sat, well, I've sat in here once, I was on the phone, and I just went to lean back and I was like, it's so fun.
Oh, No. Crazy. Oh, that's crazy. That's wild.
Yeah, shower.
Yeah.
That's a rider.
We got the movie.
And we started hitting it cold at first.
It's movie night.
End of October. Which usually it's like 70 degrees. This is like
Pizza time.
And we miss that. We've done nothing. Football then means nothing. So I'm here to present you a new team philosophy. I think that football is just one of the tools we use to honor God.
Stonewall! Stonewall! Yes. Stonewall! 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 Stonewall!
There we go.
That was a meter, Reagan.
It
starts off slow, right? What's this movie? I saw it when I was younger, bro, but prior to being saved, and Ryan did tear up. I started crying. I started crying, bro.
what the f?
You're asleep on the ground, bro. Oh, the video's so funny. That is so good. Bro, you have one finger on the chair.
Hey, drop me that down.
I bet.
Just had a super awesome, powerful time of worshiping God, and yeah, God is moving on this trip. It's so cool to see how He's brought each and every person here for an incredible purpose and reason, and seeing how He's working in each and every person's life, including my own. It's so awesome, such a blessing. I'm so glad I obeyed God and came to this trip. And yeah, we got Gigo getting baptized tomorrow. Let's go. So good. God is at work. God is on the move. If you don't know Him, get to know Him. Jesus loves you. Let's go.